All right, this is the Scotchman model CPO 350 LT/PK/PD semi-automatic saw with pneumatic powered downfeed, mitering capabilities, and an air-operated powered double self-centering vise.
Yeah, actually it is a nice vise, isn't it? This one looks pretty good. We're free and clear here. And yeah, the rods, all the irons in pretty good shape on this one. The vise is in nice shape. And as long as you're down there, you can see the miter lock right there for, I forget where it locks in at, 45, 90? There's a couple different pins on there where it locks in. There's the mitering handle down here. And like I said, yeah, the vise is clean, works good. And get my garbage off of there. There we go. Just trimming some cords back. So we've got that, yeah, the saw, the blade, you can kind of see it up here. We just got this thing laying down here right now. We've already got it powered up rotation-wise, that's the blade. Got a butterfly here for coolant, I guess. Are they misting it or whatever pump they're using down there, however it's being done, or by air. Main disconnect, 230 volts coming in here temporarily is my cord right here. And this is pretty much the high and low stops for the cycle. I'm just going to leave them where they're at because they're in a good spot. Yeah, you can kind of see down in here where it all, you really can't see in there, but that's where everything goes, the lines. And air cylinder, which is the feed cylinder, of course. Reservoir, air, up to the motor as you pan up with the gearbox. Coming across to the E-stop switch, and as you come across and down low, you see the air package. This is a force control right here, or speed control, whatever you want to call it. We can play with that a little bit when I cycle it. I don't know if I've got air on it right now or not. Let's see. I can maybe cycle it right now without the, maybe air's off. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Air's on. Now I already hit the pedal, so it's cycling. That's the cylinder feeding in. Back up. You kind of watch the vise action when I do it again. Going down on the foot pedal here now. Starts, that comes in. Now I can slow it down, see? I come bring it to a stop almost, or of course speed it up if you're really walking through some light.
You do it again?
Yeah, sure. There we go. And one more time. Feed, close vise, feed down. Works nice.
Okay.
And then you got high-low right here too, so we can put it on low right away, just run it, there's low, same thing, feed down with the blade on. And maybe one more in high in a second as soon as the compressor's off, one more in low. Shut it off and go over to high now. There's high. It's moving pretty fast. Feed down. That all looks pretty good. One more time. And back to low, nice and easy, off. I don't know if you wanted to show that vise tooling on the floor next to you there, and is there an extra blade in there?
There's a couple blades.
Couple blades, yep. I left the three-phase cord in there too, I'm not using it, but that can go with the machine.
Okay.
And yeah, that's pretty much it on this one. Like I said, it's 230, three-phase, one airline, 230 volts, and it's good to go.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.